Alright guys, so we're here with the Jimny again. So today we're working on the alternator, but thing is, we had found out that the battery wasn't charging, right? So today, well, yesterday I had taken out the alternator. That did kind of, it was just a vibes. Just did feel like, say, yo, we just see what can go on. So just a bomb take out the alternator, so see it here. And then you don't know, there's something there, so pull it down and take off this part, and then realize the brush them kind of low, if you can see them low, right? These look very worn out. So I went to Wilson's Auto today and got a new one. So this is what the new one looks like. You see that big difference there? You see how far out that come? Yeah. So I got install this and then see if that work. They do some little cleanup on this. So hopefully this is still working, and I just the brush alone need to change. Alright. So let's do that. Alright, so we're going to reinstall this now on the van and put on the belt and everything. Alright guys, so that's a wrap on the Jimny alternator problem. Jimny fix.